So welcome back in. Now that we've got our alert days, they're going to be firmly in place across the area. We're going to be talking about conditions that are going to turn quite a bit wintry over the next few hours. You can always check that out on the hour-by-hour forecast, and love how that's displayed for you as we dip back into the mid to upper teens. And here comes some light snow that will come in after midnight into the area. Now, always like to keep you ahead of the game on this one. We've issued these alert days just to give you the heads up that snow will return. And you can check this out right now on WTOL.com or on that WTOL 11 weather app. We make it simple for you. The three things that you need to know, and I expect those snow showers to come in Thursday. That's going to be the lighter of our accumulations, 1 to 3 inches. The snow on Friday will pick up in its intensity as much as 2 to 4 inches, and that will follow up by gusty winds and some blowing and snow. So go ahead and check that out right now on WTOL.com. There's the back-to-back alert days for Thursday and Friday. We will eventually make it to the mid-20s for tomorrow afternoon. 1 to 3 inches of snow. Now, if you are south of Route 6, you're going to be on the lighter side of that, less than an inch of an accumulation. More snow for the entire area Friday, and that's going to put us in that 2 to 4 inch range as we go into Friday. That storm system, in fact, 2 distinct waves of energy, one coming out of the northern Rockies now. That's what's going to initially bring us the snow and continue it as we go through Friday. A little bit of clearing across the area, and you felt the chill through the course of the morning. We're now into the upper teens and lower 20s. Active wind chills right now are finally above zero, and we endured it. 83 straight hours of wind chills that were below zero. That finally ended around noon today. And now we've got snow to talk about. Let's send it over to meteorologist John Birchfield. And John, it seems like we've just gone from one thing to the next. You're going to time out the hour-by-hour forecast for the arrival of that snow tonight.
Yeah, Chris, we'll call it a wintry 1-2 punch. First, the bitter cold, and now the accumulating snow. And we have 2 waves of snow to track. As Chris told you, the first one arrives Thursday. And overall, the totals are going to be on the lighter side of things, but still 1 to 3 inches of snow. With how cold the ground is, that'll accumulate and coat roadways readily. Into your Friday, that produces a more widespread 2 to 4 inches of accumulation as our alert day continues, and even into the first half of the weekend with temperatures falling and those wind chills dropping below zero. We could see some refreezing and slick spots on the roadway early Saturday. That band of snow Thursday, it is going to be very narrow with the steadiest right along and north of the state line. So those suburbs in northwestern Lucas County and also far southeastern Michigan likely to see the most snow, whereas areas southeast of the Maumee River a little bit less. Widespread 1 to 3 inch amounts with less than that to the southeast of Toledo. Now we do have another storm to track on Friday. That one's going to be a more widespread clipper, and you'll notice more blue on this map, more widespread snowy conditions. And again, with how cold it's been this week, the ground is very cold, and that'll enable pretty quick accumulations. Into Friday night, snow passes off to the east. However, those impacts may still be felt on Saturday as temperatures and wind chills plunge. Could wake up to a few slick spots on the roads. Travel forecast: red light Thursday and Friday with travel delays expected, snowy and slick conditions, and heading towards Saturday, we do expect temperatures and wind chills to drop. So how much snow are we going to expect, Chris? Let's check out those snowfall forecasts.
Yeah, important to note, John, this is going to be extremely fluffy light snow, isn't it?
Yeah, it'll be the kind that can blow around, especially in those country areas, not that packing snow that we saw a week ago.
Yeah, big difference in how this winter storm's going to lay out, and ultimately we have really no concern about it mixing in with any ice or any rain. It is all going to be in the form of snow. Meteorologist John Birchfield, appreciate that update. Here's what to expect for Thursday. We're going to take a few steps on this one. For tomorrow, 1 to 3 inches north of Route 6. It is going to be less than an inch if you are south of Route 6 on Thursday, so don't leave a little disappointed if you're looking for snow on Thursday. If you are south of Toledo, it is going to be considerably lighter. We do get more Friday, though. This is going to be additional snow, 2 to 4 inches of snow for the majority of the area. We do expect we're going to get some lake enhancement, Erie and Huron County, that could push additional totals over 6 inches. 3 to 6 is going to be the storm total, and I expect it's going to get the snow shovels and snow plows going for our alert days Thursday and Friday. 19 for the high on Friday, 18 on Saturday. We'll start Saturday below zero, 23 Sunday, and we do warm above freezing Monday and Tuesday of next week. Rain chances are going to be back Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and could go as warm as the mid-40s by Thursday of next week. That's a look at your 10-day forecast.